Adrian, take us into this video. Come on now. Alright, we finally let him take the box open. So what's up, guys? If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner. This is my channel, and we're working on the 22 WRX. Throw in the ETS Extreme, no resonators, all black tips on here. And Adrian's wanting to jump to it, so we'll let him. I'm gonna do a quick walk around up under here and try to point out new stuff on the new chassis. The little changes. So like this plate system is a little bit different than the previous chassis, and they changed the sway bars. So now they got a big end link that goes all the way up to the top of the strut. A little different, better control arm. And if I was a guessing person, I would say these were probably made for an STI, and they canceled that, so they give it to you on your new WRX. And check this out. A lot of room for activities, maybe for STI design. I'm not saying anything, but I think that's probably where the downpipe would have went. But Adrian's gonna take this exhaust off. We're gonna get the new one on, and we'll see how loud it is. Got any words of encouragement?
Say what?
Words of encouragement?
Couple little things. In the previously, when you did aftermarket catback with factory J-pipe downpipe, usually ended up reusing the donut gasket, and then had an adapter to go to your aftermarket exhaust.
Right.
This style, they actually provide you with a smaller diameter gasket, a metal spacer / they call it an adapter, and then your full-size gasket. So you're going to sandwich all three of those into your exhaust in order to adapt to your aftermarket exhaust.
All right. And as always, ETS includes a checklist of everything that comes with it and a detailed description. So he's going to slap that on, and we're going to get to hear the new exhaust. Oh, look at those tips. Just give her the tip. Alright, we got the stock exhaust off. It's just some hangers, WD-40, pry bar, or we got a fancy tool because we do a lot of them, but lubrication is your friend. And then you got 2 bolts up here, and then throw your new gasket kit on. And then this one is all V-Vans, so if you have a buddy to help you,
except for this flange.
Yep. So it's got a nice flange up there. If you have a buddy to help you hold it up, then...
Speaking of which.
Alright.
Come on, Mr. One Hand.
It's always fun.
Just get it started.
Yeah, I got it.
You want to hold this together while I grab the bolts real quick?
Sure.
Just the final fit.
Alright, yeah. Adrian's got it kind of mocked up. He's got to set up the tips. Get your V-bang clamps on. It goes together pretty quickly. Alright, Adrian has it all wrapped up. Pretty simple install, just 3 clamps in the back. You got a hanger here, a hanger there, and a hanger there on each side, and then 2 bolts up front, and that'll drop your stock exhaust, and then reattach this one like that. I do really like the black tips, but it's about time to see what it sounds like. Adam's going to fire it up for the first time.
Might as well. Grab my phone for it.
And there's the fitment on the ground.
You can drive Subarus with different wheels on them, right?
Oh yeah.
That's the thing you do.
As long as you got a good mechanic to pay.
Right. And a backup transmission.
What are differentials?
More warmed up.
Alright, this is the 2022 Subaru WRX with the ETS Extreme, no resonator, no muffler, at idle, so it's already warmed up.
That was the ETS Extreme exhaust install on your 22 WRX. Hit that subscribe button, and we got some more videos coming on it next. This was just the install and revs. Little tidbit, might have some new wheels going on it in the next one. But we'll be doing some driving stuff, letting you know how these mods affects the stock tune, and try to read some fuel trims and see where everything's at. So hit that subscribe button and join us in the next video. Peace.